past year, nature has been my sanctuary. The natural world's capacity to inspire us, to nurture us, and help us heal and grow is boundless, and has been understood for generations. It is through nature that we can fully understand the true interconnectedness of all things, the importance of balance, and the importance of renewal and resilience. Connecting to nature helps us to experience a deeper sense of ourselves, the world around us, and each other. Spring is a season of rebirth, of hope and new beginnings. From the dark days of winter, the outside world quietly awakens with new life, and there comes a sense of optimism, anticipation, and positive, hopeful change. Just as nature revives and renews, so too can we. Let us reconnect to nature and celebrate a new dawn within our hearts. It is often from the smallest of seeds that the greatest change can happen. And in this ever-growing, complex world, we need to hold on to what connects us all. Spring is here, so let's make the most of it together.